bottom cup. Firstly, I shall show you the steps of making this pot. Firstly, you drink. After you drink, you will cut this bottle into a half and it will become something like that. After which, we will poke a hole in the cover of this cap so as to let the water drain through. After which, we will put the soil into this upper top and it will become pot that we see in our nurseries and our garden outside. Lastly, we also have to take out the rim of these pots as it can be quickly and very painful. Our last step is obviously the labeling, where we label our batch number so as to observe how they're growing. And until next time, this is Lily-Wen, reporting live from the garden. Nursery!
Never do your bow.